We have Ranveer Singh in the house. Ranveer, you look really nice.
Thank you. Party hasn't started yet, but it'll start. Yeah, I'm just on the threshold of making an entry. The music sounds very, very good.
Yeah.
They played Hot Stuff by Donna Summer. I was actually listening to it while getting ready. It's a little secret for you. And right now also, I love this song. I want to be with you every day. Some like English retro type of stuff is happening, which is cool. I can't wait to get inside.
Okay, I want to know whose idea the hairdo is because it's really
Should I cut that?
He wants to show his stylist. Hi.
This is Kaka who's wearing a Darshan t-shirt. No wait, it's Darshan who's wearing a Kaka t-shirt. Darshan, my love, my life. Most part of the reason that people think that I look good is all his artwork.
Ooh.
One of the most talented hairstylists you will ever come across. He was actually a gift, a God's gift, a life gift to me from Mr. Bhansali. Darshan has worked on some of the biggest actors on some of the biggest Mr. Bhansali films, and he worked with me on Ram Leela, and we've been working ever since. Darshan is going to take a sabbatical now that he's going to make me takla and take his leave in a few days and go and live some of life, you know. But it's been a great run, and I absolutely love him. He's more than my hairstylist. He's like my brother, and he really looks out for me. And I don't know what I'm going to do without him. But we'll be back soon, the dream team.
I have a very important question.
So it is Darshan's idea.
Yeah. You've been making these really cool appearances. We saw you in this like a very, again, retro. In this, you had these like colorful lips all over your t-shirt and you had like glares.
Yeah.
And you went like, you had the really cool poses.
By the way, the lips t-shirt was a gift from Darshan. When we went for Dil Dhadakne Do, when we went to Europe, he bought that t-shirt for me.
Okay.
And I had never worn it before that. But it seemed like an appropriate night. I love that t-shirt. It's so cool, na? It's like pop art.
Yeah, and then you had the green glares.
Yeah, my green glaze. Because my eyes were doing funny things that night. So I had to keep them covered.
Funny things?
Hello.
You mean your eyes were wandering?
No. I was a little partied out, yeah.
Achha.
You know.
Yeah. I don't know, yeah.
Yeah, a little partied out.
Parted out. Okay. Also the fact it's a huge event. Tommy's 10-year celebration in India. Why do you think this brand has stood out for 10 years?
Well, he's an awesome guy. He's extremely talented, and that's the reason why his brand has become so famous all over the world.
Yeah.
I mean, I love his stuff, you know. I'm looking forward to meeting him. And I like his like American designs, you know. It's like so like preppy college America.
Yeah.
I went to college in America, and I can tell you that it is truly classic because all the boys over there would dress like this. And I really like it. It's clean, it's crisp, it's very minimal, and he always gives it a twist, which is fun. So I'm looking forward to meeting him. I've heard so much about him. In fact, he gifted me this.
Ooh.
I came to my room, and he had kept a handwritten note over there.
So sweet.
And he gifted me this limited edition watch, which is specially made for the 10th anniversary of Tommy Hilfiger in India. And it's actually, for the first time, he's made this leather strap, which is usually in black or brown. He's made it in navy blue, which is his favorite color. Yeah. So I'm really thankful to him. I was really sweet, no? You know,
it is. And it's
to come and find a gift. So I'm looking forward to meeting him inside.
Are you going to be in Ram Lakhan with Akshay?
I don't know.
But would you want to? I mean, you know.
I don't know. I mean, like, Ram Lakhan is a cult film, yeah. Lakhan is a cult character.
Yeah.
And yeah, sure. I mean, I think Karan is probably one of the best, most creative producers that we have ever had in our country. And Mr. Rohit Shetty was like Mr. Entertainer #1. So I would love to work with that team on this kind of material, you know, reprising such a cult film.
Yeah.
It would be great. I would love to.
Yeah. You mentioned about being bald. Are you really contemplating? Everybody's thinking, are you going to go bland? Are you going not happening? What's happening? What's going through your mind? You have great hair, by the way.
Thank you. Thanks.
I just wanted to do that to you.
Thanks, yeah. I don't know what it is with Mr. Bhansali. You know, he oscillates between these extremes when it comes to me. Him and I both extremists, right?
Yeah.
So last time we're doing literally this hair maneuver for tatar, and this time he's going to go safa chal ustra bald with a shendi. So it's really, I mean, I'm a bit petrified कि क्या होगा, कैसा लगेगा types. But करना है तो करना है. I start hardcore prep from Monday or Tuesday, and yeah, it'll be. I mean, I haven't gone bald in 8 years. So it should be interesting. It should be interesting.
Yes, it will. To end it, I'm going to ask you. I think a lot of actors in Bollywood, I think, are kind of are feeling the competition from you, because you're kind of taking over the brand scene too. You came in with Durex, but now we're seeing you in so many more brands. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's not like I'm in competition with anybody. I just I like to be very hands-on when it comes to my ads. I don't want to pick just about anything. That's why I waited for the longest time. You know, having said no to a staggering amount of money is testament to the fact that I don't do it for the money. I think it's all a part of an actor's equity. You know, if there's a hoarding, that's you on the hoarding. If there's a 60-second thing that's coming on TV, that's you in it. So I'm not somebody who takes money and services the client and the brand, and I like to get into the creatives, and I like to do good brands. Everything should be right about the association, you know. Only then will it work, you know. Otherwise it'll be a falsification, and it won't work. So I genuinely believe in all the brands that I'm doing. I like to be involved in the creatives, and you know, started off with Durex, it became a big hit. Followed it up with Ching's, it became a big hit. Everybody is loving the look in the Maruti campaign as well. There's another one, Royal Stag, that's coming out, which is me and Arjun, you know, together, and not the same ad, but they're amazing ads. I can't wait for them to come out, and hopefully signing a few more brands. And I like that there's always something to it. You know, it's not just just another ad. There's always something to it, something to look forward to, because I feel like it's your duty as an entertainer to give people some kind of aesthetic or creative value even in your advertisements. So I'm really enjoying that I'm now fully involved in that advertisement endorsement scene.
Well, great. Thank you so much. Since he's already warming up, you would like to warm up and go. I think he's all set for the party now.
Are you going to party with me, Rudru?
Yes, I will.
Should we request for Mang Meri Bharo?
Yes, we will. We'll talk about that.
I don't think they can handle it. I don't think they're ready for this booty.
Well, I'll let him go inside now. Thank you, Ranveer.
Thank you, Rudru.
Rudrang Chatraj with camera person Aditya, Zoom Mumbai.